Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be making another science video. Unfortunately, this video is not a Minecraft video because I don't have the time for that. But, yeah, I'm going to be showing my model of a volcano and a forest and an eruption. So the reason I'm doing this is because while I'm on my trip to Romania, I can't make another video, so I'm making a video right now before I go. So, yeah, let's get to it. So, first of all, this eruption is going to be caused by vinegar and baking soda. It's going to make a giant eruption. Okay, put on my safety glasses. Yeah. And we're going to start by putting the vinegar in our teaspoon. We're going to put it in the volcano. Yeah, it's already starting to. And another one. And our third one. Let's try not to spill. Okay. Next, we're going to be taking our measuring cup and our vinegar. We're going to gently pour into the measuring cup, just enough. Perfect to make this eruption. Cap on, and now for the moment that you've all been waiting for. Here we go. Dun dun dun! Yeah, giant eruption taking out the forest. I made this in like 5 minutes, so just don't tell me how bad it is. I know how bad it is. These are bushes and trees. One, go. Woo! Lava, sort of. It's not really lava, but it came down and the forest is getting destroyed. Yeah. Try this experiment. Do it at home. The following materials you will need to do this experiment are a teaspoon, baking soda, a container, a cup, and vinegar, and optional glasses, safety glasses. So, what you're going to want to do is you're going to take the container and you're going to put the cup in it. Next, you're going to take the teaspoon and put the baking soda onto it and put it in. Then you are going to take the vinegar and pour it. And then that should happen. Yeah. So that is how you do the experiment. What I also did was just add the plastic volcano cover over it.
The world is spinning fast tonight. You can have yourself a try.